Hey guys, so I'm here with FabFitFun and I am so excited. I have my spring box and I have to say, look at how cute this box is. Their boxes are so cute and it's one of my favorite things. I mean, it makes getting mail so much more exciting. So I'm going to show you guys what I picked to go in my box this spring. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's see. Look, even the inside, the box is so cute. So, let's see. I don't even know where to start. That's how amazing all of these products are. Let's see. Okay, this is so cute. These are copper measuring spoons. I have this new kick going to where like I want to cook more and I want to, try to get a little better in that aspect of my life. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Look, these are so cute. And too, it's about being cute, right? Oh my goodness. Yeah. These are a winner, I have to say. See, next we have the Tula Probiotic Skincare. Oh, it's a facial cleanser. I mean, obviously, we've heard about probiotics in food, but I've never heard about it in skincare. So I am so excited to see the effects that it has on my skin because let's be real. If it can help you on the inside, it's definitely going to help you on the outside. Next we have, this is a must, the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage. I have used this before and I have to say it is absolutely amazing. You know, if you kind of went out last night and you're having a rough morning, put this on and you'll never be able to tell. Again, winner. And I have to say, this whole box is valued at over $200. And if you use my special code, you get your box for $39.99. I mean, what a steal. And as you can tell, donuts are my favorite, but it's the design of a water bottle. Swell bottles are my absolute favorite. I mean, they keep everything hot or cold. So, I'm into this in itself is like a $20 water bottle. And you're getting this entire box for $39.99. FabFitFun did us good on this box. Let's see. Next we have this scrub. And scrubs are an essential part of my life because, girls, you know how it is. When you get a spray tan and it starts, kind of getting patchy, use a scrub. And this scrub is amazing for this. It helps to exfoliate your skin, leave everything feeling soft. It's a winner, and too, it smells phenomenal. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I mean, it smells like champagne. It smells amazing. And, like I said, it's great for exfoliating. Helps me get all my spray tan gunk off and start fresh. Next, we have this Way leave-in conditioner, and I have been obsessed with leave-in conditioners lately because with all of the junk I put on my hair. I mean, I get it highlighted like once every couple months, and I like to go really light with my hair, which means there's a lot of damage, and leave-in conditioners are a lifesaver. So I do, and this brand has been so great. I use their shampoos and conditioners, so I am super excited for this leave-in conditioner. What I'll do, like at night, I will take my shower, I'll put it in and just let it sit in my hair all night long. Lifesaver. Next we have, oh my gosh, this really cute backpack. I mean, it is adorable. I like these little backpacks for like going to the gym or whenever you're running to the grocery store. It's just so easy. You throw your stuff in it and you're on the go. And I have to say, this backpack is valued at way more than what you're spending for this entire box. I mean, it's a steal. Who doesn't like getting a deal too? So for me, I like to say, this is like a good excuse, I can sign up for FabFitFun and it's a seasonal subscription box and you save money really. So ladies, that's how you can justify it. Just say I'm saving money and then no one will, gripe at you for signing up. And too, boyfriends, get it for your girlfriends or get it for your moms. It's a great gift. Last but not least, I have this. I have been so excited about this because like I said, with this box, you can pick and choose what you want to go in the box. So I customized this to my wants and needs. And this right here is a little picnic set, and I'm so excited because obviously with spring coming up, you want to be outside more, you want to be more active, and if you're like me, you love your food, and this right here is a little picnic set for two. It's so cute, and you know, we need to get outside more, so instead of being on the gram, we can go outside, go to the park with I love a picnic set, y'all. This makes me so excited. So look, so cute, so organized, and it's easy for on the go. I mean, guys, this box has been absolutely amazing. So if you use my special code, you can get your box for $39.99. I mean, look, all of these are full-size products. And if you were to buy them at a store, you would be paying much more. So FabFitFun has been a lifesaver for me, and I have loved being a member and getting my boxes every season. So you should probably make a smart move today and sign up.